Hi there, Deb Evans here. I've been asked quite frequently lately about LinkedIn and LinkedIn endorsements and some features of how to edit the endorsements, remove the endorsements, or skills. So let's go to LinkedIn. You should be on your LinkedIn homepage. You're going to click on your profile and we're going to edit the profile. And you see the pencils, so we're in edit mode. You're going to scroll down till you see your skills area. Okay, so here we are. You're going to click the pencil there because we want to edit this area. So what I want to do first is let's manage the endorsements. I know one of the things that most of my connections have said is, oh, I do not know why this person has endorsed me for a particular skill that you may not even really know that person. You'll see here LinkedIn has ranked the skills by the most endorsements you've received. So you see entrepreneurship, I've received 141, and you see the line here. If I click here, the line goes over and it shows me who's endorsed me for this skill. So you can scroll through and check these connections, and each one of these folks I know. I'm thrilled that they've endorsed me for a skill. That's great. But let's just go down to, let's see if I can scroll down to, let's go to training. Actually, there was one. Oh, yes, here you go. So this arrow, it takes a minute. So I'm going to click here. So I'm going to go to the one program management. I was endorsed for this several times, and I finally accepted it and said, "Fine, let's show that endorsement." So I'm looking at these connections. Each and every one of these folks I know. Still disappointed I'm seeing profile pictures and not a person, but let's look at this. I'm looking at the picture and I'm not. Oh, here it is. It's Nick. Okay. Um, I'm going to pick on Nick right now. Let's say that I don't want this endorsement there from him. So you'll see here the numbers change. It did say 13, but if I put it back, it's going to go, drop to 12 and went to 13. So if I don't want this to show, I'm just going to click here, remove this. I could click, remove Lawrence's, and you can see that it changes. So don't forget to save the changes that you've made. Let's go ahead and let's just save that. Now let's go back into the edit feature. You don't want to display your endorsements at all. You can click this so that you know you do not want your endorsements to show, or yes, you show endorsements. Personally, I think you should show your endorsements, but you can certainly control how that's displayed. Let's go up to done editing and see if I have time to do one more thing. Let's save and exit. Just didn't want to lose anything. And let's go back up and edit once again. A little tedious, but bear with me here. We're going to go edit. Let's scroll back down. One of the other areas is this area here where you see, Deb also knows about is because I've been endorsed for these and I have added them. But let's say I don't want them on here. If someone, let me click at it here. Someone has endorsed me for cooking. Well, let's just put, even though I'm a very good cook, let's add it. So we're going to add that skill. Here it is here. This is where it will appear at the end as you saw some of those others. It's like, I really don't want to be endorsed for that skill. All you have to do is click the X and you can exit out. As I could do any one of these up here too. Not all of these I want, but I could go through and I could X out any one of these endorsements so that I'm being very selective what endorsements I'm showing on my profile. So it's that easy. If you need help, contact Deb at debevansconsulting.com and I'll give you a hand.